to the house. It's almost fully engulfed.
I heard a pop, but I thought it was a firework or something.
And that's what's...
Then all of a sudden I looked outside, I saw flames.
And that's what's unfortunate. It's very dry.
Yeah.
You're good, sir. Don't worry about it. They got it. Sir. Sir, do me a favor, man. I need you to back up. They got it. All right. You're not listening to... Sir, do me a favor, man. I need you to back up. They got it. Go back to where you're supposed to go.
You're an ass.
That's fine. You ain't helping do shit but get in the fucking way. And I've asked you multiple times to leave.
No, he's not here.
Neighbors are advising he is not at the residence. Does he have a car?
Yes, he had a car.
Neighbors are advising he has a vehicle. Normally when he's here, there's no vehicle here, so I'm assuming he's gone. Just stay back on the road for me.
Okay.
Advise Fire Rescue, their best part of this entrance is going to be parking on 441 Southeast. It's right here next to it. Hey, the fire truck's right here. Don't worry about it. They're right here. I appreciate it, but unfortunately that hose ain't going to do much to it anyways. They're about to pull up right here. You can tell them my car is parked. If they pull up right in front of me, that's their best point of entrance. It's starting to spread to the house. It's almost fully engulfed.
Can I get you guys just come step outside for me? Is there anybody else in the house?
No, just me.
All right, if you could, just hang out front.
Okay, I'm going to get my phone.
All right.
I told y'all, you should have stopped right there. Stupid ass firefighters.
I got this neighbor. She's home alone. I have her just stepping out.
Does anybody know, can call this person or?
I could try to, when she comes out, I'll see if they... Do you by chance know this neighbor?
Yes.
Do you have his phone number?
I can get it.
If you could, yeah, that way we can call him, let him know what's going on.
I heard a pop, but I thought it was a firework or something.
And that's what's...
Then all of a sudden I looked outside, I saw flames.
And that's what's unfortunate. It's very dry.
Yeah.
So there's no telling it. I mean, everybody has fireworks going on, so...
And I called 911 and they said, yeah, we're sending somebody.
Oh, okay.
That thing's a pain in the ass, my life.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, you're good. I'm glad he wasn't home.
Yeah, me too.
Well, I guess it...
Well, that's what I when I called him, I went outside to see if his car was there or not.
I guess it goes both ways.
On December 31st, 2025, a residential structure fire broke out in Marion County, Florida on New Year's Eve. Deputies with the Marion County Sheriff's Office responded to assist fire rescue in securing the scene and locating the homeowner. This footage was captured on an Axon Body 4 camera worn by Deputy Rhodes and raises significant questions about a citizen's legal obligations at an active emergency scene.
Though, I mean,
yeah.
Who knows what started it, though. Hello, is this Jerry? Is this Jerry?
No, this is Debbie, his wife.
Okay, I am just calling to let you know we're out on a structure fire at your residence. It's going to be fully engulfed at this point.
Oh, I'm in Illinois, and I don't know where he's at.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, was he at the residence today?
Yes.
Okay, well, I don't see his vehicle here, so I'm assuming he's not here. It looks like whatever it was started towards the back of the house or possibly on the back porch.
On the back porch?
It's right on that area. So I don't know what's exactly right there, you know what I mean?
Well, I know he was going to turn the electric heater on.
Okay.
You're good, sir. Don't worry about it. They got it. Sir, do me a favor, man. I need you to back up. They got it. All right. You're not listening, though. I need you to back up.
Yeah, I hear you. Got some kind of losses. I can't help put out a fire, dude. Come on, really.
No, you can't because they're here doing their job. So like I said, I need you to step away from it.
You need to chill, huh?
Listen
We're
to me.
putting out a fire.
They're putting out a fire. Go back to where you're supposed to go.
You're an ass.
That's fine. They're do their job.
You're really going to tell me
I am.
Put out the fire.
I am going to tell you that because that's their job and they're taking care of it. So wherever
you... some law that I can't put out a fire?
You're not going to impede what they're doing.
I'm not.
You are.
I just put out this whole trying
It
to
doesn't matter.
jackass.
They're going to do their job. Let them do that.
You get
That's
out
fine.
of my face.
Go.
Arrest me or something.
Leave the scene. I'm not going to keep telling you.
I got a right to be.
Walk away. You don't got a right to be on this property when they're trying to do their job. Put your hands behind your back. Don't fight with me, dude.
Stop.
Do not fight with me.
I'm helping put
You ain't helping do shit but get in the fucking way. And I've asked you multiple times to fucking leave, and you don't want to fucking listen to nobody.
No, you don't like
That's
it,
okay.
dude.
There's a law for that. That's fine. You got multiple chances to back up and you didn't. It's on you.
Whatever.
Walking that way. So
Yep.
You guys are a little hyped up.
Okeechobee, we got a mail 1015.
Yeah, you got a guy that came over and sprayed a garden hose on a fire.
I've asked you once already. Don't worry about it. Fire rescue's here.
The central legal issue here is whether a neighbor who physically remained inside an active fire suppression zone after repeated lawful orders to vacate committed a criminal offense under Florida law. The answer is yes. Florida Statutes, Section 843.02, defines resisting an officer without violence as resisting, obstructing, or opposing an officer in the lawful execution of any legal duty. This is a first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year in county jail. Violence is not required. Physical non-compliance after a lawful order is sufficient. The critical threshold is whether the officer's order was lawful, not merely convenient. Scene perimeter control during an active structure fire conducted under Incident Command Protocol plainly qualifies as the lawful execution of duty. NFPA 1500, the Standard on Fire Department Occupational Safety, establishes that unauthorized persons inside the operational zone constitute a direct hazard not only to themselves, but to firefighters managing hose lines, structural integrity, and egress routes. Good faith intent is not a statutory defense to obstruction under Florida law. A sincere desire to help does not override an officer's lawful authority to clear an emergency scene. Regarding use of force, the Supreme Court in Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989, established that the reasonableness of force must be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not through the lens of hindsight. At the moment Deputy Rhodes initiated the arrest, the subject had received multiple verbal warnings and remained physically present in a restricted zone. Under this standard, a physical arrest for misdemeanor obstruction was constitutionally permissible. The Supreme Court further confirmed in Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, that a custodial arrest for a minor offense, including a misdemeanor, does not violate the Fourth Amendment, provided probable cause exists. Probable cause existed here. The elements of Section 843.02 were satisfied the moment the subject refused the first of several documented verbal commands.
Wow, I'm telling you.
Lean up against the door. You have anything on you that's gonna stick, poke me?
No.
Separate your feet. Separate your feet.
Look, you don't have to be rough.
Well, you're not listening to her.
Can't hear well, dude. Took my house keys.
Did I ask you what it was?
I didn't get a chance to double lock them either, just so you know.
Your transport?
Yeah, if you don't mind. I don't have room
Spray
in
a
my...
garden hose on the neighbor's house that's burning.
Basically.
You know?
Yeah, but, sir, the problem is...
That ain't a problem.
It is a
It's not
problem.
a problem until I argued with you because you wouldn't let me spray the hose on
Because
the fire,
that's not
you
your
stupid
job, and fire rescue is
I
here
hear
doing their
it's not
job,
my
and you're getting in the
job,
way.
ass. It's not my job.
It's not.
You ever seen anyone
Take
die
a
in a
seat.
freaking fire?
Don't
Take a seat.
Can I have my house keys?
Get in the car.
Hey.
Here's, you might unlock. I'm just gonna set this on your dash.
He come running across the road with the hose, and I said, hey, fire rescue's right here. Leave it alone. Don't do it.
That's okay. Halo law
Yeah.
says
Yeah.
he's got one warning and he don't back up. That's on him.
There it is.
So, pissed me off.
Different subject.
Yeah.
I called the wife. She's up north.
Okay.
Apparently the husband was here at some point.
Okay.
His vehicle's obviously not here. He mentioned to her he was going to start the electric heater, which is at the back of the house.
Yeah. Probably it.
So, yep.
Well, she said she's going to call him to get him out here. Or?
Yeah, she was trying to call him, but he wasn't answering. So I told her just keep calling. And hello, this is Deputy Rhodes.
Hi, this is Debbie Payne. I
Yes,
guess
ma'am.
we got cut off.
Yeah, I'm sorry. We're dealing with somebody, so I had to hang up on you.
Oh, okay.
But you're good. Were you able to get in contact with him?
No, I just trying to call you back. I got a phone call in after you called.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, that phone call wasn't me, but I'm gonna hang up to you and try to call him a couple times, and
I'll keep trying to call him.
yes, ma'am. Sounds good.
Okay.
All right, bye.
The subject raised the issue of Miranda rights while in custody. Deputy Rhodes correctly explained that Miranda applies only to custodial interrogation, meaning an officer asking specific questions about a specific offense. The Supreme Court established this framework in Miranda v. Arizona in 1966. Being under arrest alone does not trigger the advisement requirement. No interrogation occurred here. The deputy's explanation was legally accurate. On the subject's verbal protests and use of profanity, these are fully protected speech under the First Amendment, as the Supreme Court held in City of Houston v. Hill in 1987. The arrest was not predicated on speech. It was predicated on the physical act of remaining in a restricted zone after repeated lawful orders to vacate. This distinction is legally dispositive.
I arrested some guy for putting out a fire.
Sir, the only time I need to read you your rights is when I'm asking you specific questions about a specific crime that was committed. I'm not doing that, so therefore I don't need to read you your rights.
You need anything more? Do I need to find it?
No, sir, we got it. I said, no, sir, we've got it.
Your garden is down. Now the person's house was fire.
No, sir, that's not why you were arrested. You were placed under arrest because after a deputy asked you to back away from the firefighters, you refused to.
I was not anywhere near the firefighters.
Sir, you were standing right behind them. Okay.
I already put down the hose and stopped doing it.
That's fine.
What he told me to do.
You can keep
and I
arguing.
told him he was an asshole for it, and that's what he didn't want to hear.
Oh, if you want to help put out fires, you should have went to the fire academy.
The guy screaming. 28 years ago.
There's a whole space for another car right between us. How about you sit back there and you mind your business? You not minding your business what got you into this spot, so how about you just stop? That's all right. Step up.
You didn't find somewhere.
They didn't find anything. If they didn't, the jail will get it. Stand right here against this wall.
Deputy Rhodes receives a B+. His use of force escalation was correct. Verbal commands, repeated warnings, then physical control. His arrest was legally predicated on Florida Section 843.02. His Miranda explanation was textbook accurate. His continued communication with the homeowner's family throughout the incident reflects sound priorities under difficult operational conditions. However, his comment suggesting the subject should have attended the fire academy does not serve the public trust function of law enforcement communication. That verbal choice costs the grade its ceiling. The neighbor receives a C+. Once professional firefighters were on scene, and a lawful order to vacate was issued, his continued physical presence satisfied the elements of criminal obstruction regardless of his intent. His verbal argument that he had a right to remain was legally unsupported. His compliance after handcuffing without physical resistance reflects positively on his judgment in that moment, but the path to the arrest was entirely his to control. The lesson here is precise. At any active emergency scene, law enforcement has statutory authority to establish and enforce a perimeter. A civilian who crosses that line, regardless of competence or intent, is exposed to criminal liability the moment they refuse a lawful order to leave. The legally sound response to a lawful order you disagree with is compliance. First, legal challenge. Second, Florida courts and federal circuits have consistently held that the remedy for an unlawful police order is through the courts, not physical non-compliance on the scene. If you believe an officer's order is unlawful, comply, preserve your objection, and seek redress through a Section 1983 civil rights claim or a motion to dismiss. That pathway has merit. Defiance on the scene does not. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.